Hey, what's good, RBO gang? Welcome back to another banger, you feel me? Today I'm going to be teaching you on how to make your dreadlocks grow faster, or if you're still going through the journey, how to make your dreads lock up faster, you feel me? If you're new to the channel, make sure you leave a like down below, subscribe, leave a comment for any questions you may have. Let's get right into it. So first off, I just want to give y'all a little quick update. I've currently been growing my dreads for about 3 years and some change now. I don't really know the months, but just to give y'all a little quick 360 so y'all see the length that I'm at right now. Now I know if some of y'all out there are like me in the past, I want to speed up the process just so my dreads can get to the length that I really want, you feel me? But not everybody's hair grows the same, so I'm just gonna give y'all some tips on how you can get your dreadlocks to grow healthy and to get that length that you really want, you feel me? So starting off, an essential thing that you need to have is some oil with you. The oil that I would suggest you using is some coconut oil, maybe some natural oils that really works good with your hair and your scalp. That's going to promote your hair to grow quicker. I don't really be using waxes or anything like that that's going to cause a lot of buildup in the hair, because for dreads it's really low maintenance, but if you neglect it, it's also going to damage your dreads fairly quickly and also have them dirty. So I would suggest for y'all to get a natural oil product that is going to help your hair grow healthy and give it that look that you really want. Now the way that you want to apply your oil is you want to go in your scalp. On for your scalp, it helps your hair grow quicker at the roots. You can also get other oils that you can just spray onto your hair and it will give it that shiny, that neat look that's also going to help your dreads grow quicker. Another thing that you can do with your dreads is there's 2 different methods that you can use. One of the methods is interlocking your hair when you get a retwist. Interlocking your hair is a good way to make your dreads grow faster without having to constantly get retwist, because your hair is basically getting locked at the root, hence the name interlocking. Once your hair is locked at the root, all you really gotta do is just maintain it, apply the oil, take care of your hair, and you wanna keep your hair moisturized so your hair can really grow healthy and get to that length that you want. When you're going through the journey, you wanna make sure you also keep your hair protected, because dreads are one of those hairstyles that if you lay around anywhere or you just walking, bugs, dust, anything in the atmosphere can get in it. So I would suggest you either get do-rag, get rubber bands to put your hair in protected styles, or you can get a ski mask if you feeling shiesty. But just keep your hair protected from all the dirt and stuff, because it can also slow down the growth of your hair and keep it from being healthy how you want it to. Another thing you could do to take care of your hair when it gets to the right length is you can use a brush. Using a brush also helps to spread out moisture throughout your hair. It also helps to get out lint that you may not know is there, because if you have a lot of dreads like me, you often won't know how your dreads are smelling or what is in your dreads because they're mad heavy. I'm not even gonna lie to you, you feel me? With retwist, you wanna make sure that you get your hair retwisted about 6 or so months after each retwist, because getting your hair retwisted too often can also thin out your hair and damage your hair out the scalp. Ultimately, how you want to grow your dreads out faster is you want to make sure that you invest in some good oil that's going to help your hair stay moisturized and help to promote your hair growth. That is best for your hair, you feel me? You want to make sure you remember that everybody's hair growth journey is different. Some people's genetics allow them to grow their hair fairly quicker in a year compared to others, you feel me? But for somebody like me, y'all can see the proof is here. My dreads be long, you feel me? All you gotta do is just start. Something that you can do is when you go to sleep with your do-rag, bonnet, shiesty or whatever, you wake up in the morning, you moisturize your hair, basically go on about your day. There's not much to it. For dreads, really the thing that you have to know is to have patience. Patience is really going to determine how you get your dreads, you feel me? Because I've seen a lot of people go through this process and they end up taking their dreads out or cutting them, and I'm just not one of those people. So if you were part of the RBO game, you feel me, and you want to get your dreads longer, all you gotta do is just get some oil that works best for your hair. Make sure you keep your hair protected. You don't want to also use excess shampoo, because with dreads you don't have to wash your hair too much, but you want to keep your dreads clean, you feel me? Just make sure you maintain your dreads, take care of your dreads out here. If you feel like getting dreads, you feel me, get it, bro. Trust the process, trust the journey. I remember them days when I wanted them too, Now they like this, and they low-key annoying because they get heavy on my head. Once your dreads get to that length, bro, I'm telling you, they're gonna cause neck problems. They're gonna get all up in your eyes, burn them, all types of stuff, you feel me? But what you gotta really do is trust the journey or video game. You're gonna get anything you want. So make sure if you rock with this video, leave a like down below, subscribe, comment, let me know any questions y'all may got, bro. I'm here for each and every one of y'all, bro. Let's get to our video game. Deuces.